Hello, I'm Abel and I'm going to show you a demo about DDDNS, which is a dynamic DNS system using Live peer-to-peer to resolve IP addresses in a decentralized way. So here I have two terminals. In the top one, I'm going to connect to a remote server. So here in my remote server, I have the source code of the project. I'm going to rebuild it. Okay, so as you can see in the help, we can run it as a client or as a daemon. I'm going to run it as a daemon in my remote server, so it connects to the network and it announces itself. Okay, as you can see, here we have the ID of the node, which is basically the public key encoded in base 32 encoding, which is all lowercase and we can reuse later as a domain, like here. In the bottom terminal, I have also the source code of the project, which I am also going to rebuild. Okay, so now we have the binary locally. If I run client help, we can see that this parameter is required and is the target ID that we want to resolve. And now I'm copying the ID that I got from my top server. And this, when I run it, it should connect to the same network as in the top node and try to find the IP and resolve it. Okay, it takes some time, but it finally resolves the IP, as you can see bottom here, as retrieved here from the server. But the most interesting way to run it, it's actually this way. I'm going to give it special permissions, and now we're going to run it as a daemon, but also serving as a typical DNS server. Let's see. So as you can see here, we can enable with this parameter as a DNS server that will listen in the UDP port 53. Okay, now it's running locally and serving to everyone in the port 53. And I'm going to edit my named resolvers. So now my default resolver or my primary resolver will be my local IP, which is my loopback address, this one. And I will try to ping the domain I got on the top. You can see here it's trying to resolve it. It got the IP from the top. And now we can effectively ping that server. I'm also running a website in this server. So if we actually browse this address, we should see something running in the server transparently. And there we go. This is a web page, which is actually the README of the project, and it's being served transparently from a DDDNS domain from the server, which is resolving in a dynamic fashion and decentralized fashion the IP that he has. And that's it for the demo. Thank you.